This is a 1965 Volkswagen Beetle. This Beetle's had a restoration done to it. Has very nice body and paint. Really neat color combo with the red on the wheels and the red interior. Obviously, it's got the roof rack on there. As you can see here, just super clean and iconic. I'm gonna hop in and fire it up for you. Love the interior. It's got the bamboo shelf there under the dash. Very Volkswagen. This Volkswagen has been upgraded to a dual master cylinder, so it's a lot safer than the original single master cylinder. That is a nice upgrade to have had done. Makes the braking system much more modern. Let's see there, it fired up no problem. Speedometer and a fuel gauge. You do have a horn. Got your wipers. Engine sounds really good. This is a single port, 1600 cc, I believe. It's got a brand new carburetor on there. Running really good throttle response. I believe this is a 12-volt conversion generator there. I'll verify that and put it in the ad if you're interested in this. But that looks like the 12-volt unit, which would also be an upgrade for 1965. You see, it's very clean under the back hood area here. License plate light works. And the back hood area opens and closes really easy. We have a set of tires from 2021 on here. See a little scrape there on the paint. But just really nicely restored Beetle. Runs and drives really nice, shifting, clutching, brakes work great with that dual master. See the front end here. Really clean. Love the red bucket seats. Door closes perfect. Show you the front area here. See, it's super nice and straight down here. Front trunk opens and closes really easy and lines up nice. Super clean under there. So if you're interested in this super clean, restored 1965 Beetle, dual master cylinder conversion, brand new carburetor, single port engine, kind of a whitish gray paint color. Looks awesome out here with the red interior. Scroll down, there's a link in our description. You'll be able to find a full high-resolution photo gallery, including pictures of the undercarriage. You can see how straight and solid the pan is underneath. If you have any more questions or you'd like to make an offer, please give us a call. That's carsrememberwin.com. Thanks.